If you're seeing an MSN Weather error, a loading problem, or a weather icon that just will not update, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This is usually caused by blocked cookies, a tracking or ad blocker, a local site storage issue, or a location permission problem on your device. By the end of this guide, you should be able to get MSN Weather working normally again. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's start with the most common cause first, site storage and cookies. If MSN Weather is loading incorrectly or showing an error page, your browser may have corrupted cookies or cached data for the site. While you're on the error page, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Clear Browsing Data menu in most browsers. From there, select cookies and other site data, and also select cached images and files. Make sure the time range is set to all time so you remove everything that could be causing the issue. Then click Clear Data or Clear Now, depending on your browser. After that, close the tab, reopen MSN Weather, and check if the page loads properly. If the issue is still there, the next thing to check is your ad blocker or tracking blocker. Aggressive browser extensions can often break MSN's location detection scripts, which means the weather page may fail to load your region correctly. Open your browser's extension menu and temporarily disable any ad blocker, privacy blocker, or script blocker you have installed. If you're not sure which one is causing the problem, turn them off one by one and refresh the MSN Weather page after each change. In many cases, just allowing MSN Weather to run without those blockers will instantly fix the loading error. Now, if your taskbar weather icon is the part that's not working and it shows an error or does not update, that usually points to a location permission issue or a temporary network problem. On Windows, open Settings, then go to Privacy and Security and click Location. Make sure Location Services is turned on. After that, scroll through the app permissions and check that both Weather and Widgets are allowed to access your location. If those permissions are off, MSN Weather may not be able to detect where you are, which can cause the error or prevent updates from appearing correctly. Once you've enabled location services, go back and refresh the weather widget or taskbar icon. If it still looks stuck, give it a minute or restart your browser or computer so Windows can reconnect the service properly. That extra restart can sometimes clear a temporary glitch and force the weather data to update again. To quickly recap, if MSN Weather is showing a loading error, clear your site storage and cookies, disable any ad blockers or tracking blockers, and then turn on location services with permission allowed for weather and the widgets. Those 3 steps solve most MSN Weather problems without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you fix the issue, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple fix like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.